trying to understand how the GIP model would fit in a recession scenario. For example, wouldn't the longs like REITs, gold, and utilities sell off like all risk assets?
No.
From a new subscriber.
Yeah, that's so. If you go back to the period, if you jump in, we spent a lot of time in Boston the last couple of days, and I was reminding people, you don't have to have a recession. So that's the first thing you need to tell yourself, because people on TV have taught you, hey, if there's not a recession, buy stocks. Let's go back. Let's go to slide 68, I think, guys. Let's review one of the post periods of U.S. growth accelerating, really the only other one in the modern era to be paying attention to, which is the 2000 cycle. Okay? So see how GDP peaked at the end of 1999, 2000 at 5%, Jonesy?
Yep.
It went from 5 to 4 to 3 to 2.
That looks like lower highs.
Yeah, that looks like slowing. Okay, so you don't have to have a recession. In fact, you can barely see the recession right at the very low end of that. So right at the very low, where you're technically calling it a recession, you can barely see the damn thing. But the damnedest thing happened. When GDP stopped accelerating and literally went to here, you could have lost almost half your money. Buy stocks! No! We're following the exact same playbook. So again, as opposed to this being 5.3%, in 2018, the number was plus 3%, right on the screws. We're following the exact same methodology that made me a bear to start my career on Wall Street. Again, I have not missed calling a topping process. I've missed bottoms off that topping process, which I actually didn't in December. Of course, people aren't going to give me credit for that. But I went to 0 shorts on December the 24th. That's a pretty explicit signal that we were oversold. Again, but what happened here, go to the next slide, guys, to earnings. What happened to earnings when you went from 5 to 4 to 3 to 2 into the first quarter of 2001? What happened? First quarter of 2001. Oh, wow. Earnings in 2001. Can I hit it now? Good. Oh, they're still positive, Keith. Yeah, they went from up 23 to up 1. Up 23 to up 1. Then, give me 2 more quarters, mucker. Minus 18. How's that feel? You got to remember this, okay? If you don't, you're learning something, which is good. All right? So when I make my calls, this is all a given. This is in my thick skull, embedded in there, and it ain't coming out. It's called experience. It's called understanding what happens when growth slows. Q3 of 2018, growth was 24.5%. A higher level than the prior high, and we just cut the growth rate to 12. Oh, look at that. The first drop here went from 22 to 16 to 1 to minus 13 to minus 18. How many people on Wall Street are willing to tell you that this morning? Oh, no. Tom Lee's going to reiterate that Bitcoin's going to the moon and back again. It's all good, bro.